Melvin Henley, leader of the pack leaders. We are partnering with Menards, and we are today installing the trusses that we got from Menards. 20-footers, and these are trimmable, 6-inch trimmable, so you have basically a 2x6, which is 5.5 by 1.5 on each side. That allows you to be able to trim. So we've actually had to cut some of these. You can see here. We had to cut them, and you'll see what it's doing right now. And that happens. That happens in the field. There's nothing wrong with that. That's why we get trimmable as the framing. Sometimes you have to account for being able to cut them. So that's one of the beautiful things that we like about Menards. They have 6-inch trimmable.
You been what? You didn't work all week. You ain't doing no me neither.
I'll help him flip it. So we'll cut the top. He cut 7/8 off the top. Now he's gonna duplicate it, cut the same 7/8, and then we'll flip it flat, and he'll be able to adjust the blade and cut the rest. Ready? You can see that's how he's finishing the cut. He was able to take that off. And one of the reasons we like these trusses, the web truss, on the plans, it was a call out for not cutting or not drilling through. And the splice plates on these actually mend pieces of lumber together, so it follows under the code restrictions that we have. In the carpentry notes, it says do not cut or drill through the bottom of any joist or beam. It also mentions if there was a masonry wall, which is not, needs to be 6-inch minimum bearing. All splices and posts must be per detail or city guideline. So right now we're right within the code. The beautiful thing also is that we're part of the Promoting the Pro campaign, and so we're working with Menards. You can call it almost a strategic partnership, so we're happy about that. And this is the end result of the lumber that we get.
You got an AR?